Hello everyone, I am BenJammin, and I am Amnesia, and we're going to play the song called Going on a Bear Hunt. hold on. But first we need to go over some things. Make sure you have your spray bottles to mist spray the kids with as you get across the river, or go through the thunderstorm, or go across the muddy swamp, or run back home as fast as possible when you can spray the kids down. Also, for me and my voice, we'll do the song in the key of E. Going on a bear hunt. It sounds great. Now, if you want to at your show, you can definitely get another puppeteer to help you make Amnesia's mouth move. And which I think it'd be most fun to have someone with their arms behind you and under you and just playing so you can do the puppet or whatever. I mean, they're all fine, I'm sure. I'm sure you'll figure it out. You guys ready? This is a repeat after me song. This is a repeat after me song. Going on a bear hunt, going on a bear hunt, gonna catch a big one, gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared, I'm not scared. What a beautiful day, what a beautiful day. Uh-oh, a river, a river. Well, we can't go over it, can't go over it, can't go around it, can't go around it. Got to go through it, got to go through it. Swish, 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 swish. Here we go now, going on a bear hunt, going on a bear hunt, gonna catch a big one, gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared, I'm not scared. What a beautiful day, what a beautiful day. Oh, a thunderstorm, a thunderstorm. Well, we can't go over it, can't go over it, can't go around it, can't go around it. Got to go through it, got to go through it. Here we go now, going on a bear hunt, going on a bear hunt, gonna catch a big one, gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared, I'm not scared. What a beautiful day, what a beautiful day. Uh-oh, a muddy swamp, a muddy swamp. Well, we can't go over it, can't go over it, can't go around it, can't go around it. Got to go through it, got to go through it. Here we go, going on a bear hunt, going on a bear hunt, gonna catch a big one, gonna catch a big one. I'm not scared, I'm not scared. What a beautiful day, what a beautiful day. Uh-oh, a bear's cave. What should we do? Should we go in? Okay, here we go. Tip, toe, tip, toe, tip, toe, tip. Ah! A bear! Run for your lives! Back to the muddy swamp. Back to the thunderstorm. Back across the river. Swish, 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 swish. And back to our very own bedroom where we're safe and warm. Good job, everybody. Have fun.